Okay, so we're making ground beef for our tacos. And right now, just what I've added was onion, garlic, a little bit of oregano, and a little bit of cumin. And about a teaspoon, teaspoon of better than bouillon. So that's all I'm gonna add right now. We're just gonna finish cooking this, and then we're going to um, get our tortillas, and I'm gonna make the tortillas. So I'll teach you guys how I do it. I'll show you guys how I do it. But this is really simple. You only need the very few ingredients just to give it a good flavor: garlic, onion, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of cumin, and a little bit of better than bouillon. If you don't have better than bouillon, you could add nor chicken, or you can even add the tomato one. I personally don't like it when it comes out like tomatoey, like reddish, but you could add a couple little cherry tomatoes. I got some. You could just add them in there. I usually don't do it, but just for the whole purpose of having a little bit of tomatoes. Don't worry, you can cut them, chop them down, or you could just throw them in there. They will explode in a bit, so don't worry. Okay, so this is about ready now. You don't want all of the liquid to, you don't want the meat to get dry, so I mean, it depends. I like it a little bit like juicy, so I'm gonna turn it off right now, and then I'm gonna get the tortillas ready. I was gonna make some tortillas, but I found that I still have some of these left over, so I'm gonna do these. So on the comal, you just put some coconut oil or whatever oil you like, and then you let the tortilla get a little bit crunchy, not that much, just enough so it could be able to fold and be flexible. And then we add our picadillo on top. You could add some lettuce, but I ran out of lettuce, so I just put a little bit of this, whatever it's called, coleslaw. And that you just add some salsa, green or red, and you're ready to go. I'm gonna add a little bit of salsa. Okay. And it's ready to eat.